What's up guys, this is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today we got a huge deal for you guys, our brand new Masterson's Jumbo Mystery Box. Now our Jumbo Mystery Box is filled with over $160 worth of detailing supplies, all for 99 bucks. Now you're gonna get a full random selection of some of our best detailing supplies from Masterson's Car Care. You might get some wax, you might get some detail spray, you might get a gallon of waterless wash, heck, you might even get a full-on detailing kit right inside this box. Now you're gonna get $160 worth of items for only 99 bucks. Plus, you're gonna get free shipping anywhere in the USA, all for $99. Now to make it even better, we're gonna give a few lucky buyers of the Jumbo Mystery Box over $300 worth of stuff in their box. So we're gonna extra fill these up with some of the best items that we have in Masterson's Car Care. This one feels real heavy. It's probably filled with some of the best stuff. So you can only get these on our website, mastersonswax.com. They're limited edition, so once they're gone, they're gone. So hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, get over $160 worth of items for $99 today. I'm gonna go find out what's inside this box. Go get your box today, and we'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.